Hey everyone, in this video we will learn about Python variables. So what are variables? A variable is a named storage used to hold data in memory. What does that mean? It means variable is simply a name that stores a value in memory. So if we say x equal to 20, then this value 20 is stored in a place in memory which is having the name as x. Okay. So variable is a name, that is x is the name. Variable is the name that stores value in the memory. So name of the place is x and the value is 10. Okay. You can think of it like a container that holds data. So variable is a container that holds data. Okay. Let us see some examples. So let us go back to our Jupyter notebook. Let us go to CMD. Let us type command Jupyter notebook to open the notebook. Sorry, there is a typo. Jupy, Jupyter notebook. It will start the notebook. We can go to our Python learning folder. Let us create a new file for Python variables. Let us name it as variables. Okay, rename. Okay, so let us say x equal to 10. Let us execute it. So the variable x is storing the value 10. Let's say name equal to Python. Now the variable name will store the value Python. Let's try price equal to 5.5. Let us execute. Okay. So price is storing the value 5.5. Let us print it all. Print x. Okay. It gives 10. Print name. It gives Python. Okay. Print price gives 5.5. Okay. If you see, we are directly assigning the value to the variable. So in Python, we don't need to mention the data type separately, like in other programming language like C or Java. Python automatically understands what type of data it is storing. So if we say x equal to 10, then Python automatically understands that x is going to be a type integer. So let us verify that. Inside print, if I use keyword type, okay, and inside parenthesis, if I give x, so it will give type of x, and we are printing type of x, which will give data type of x. So let us see. It is int. So data type of x is int, and nowhere we have assigned integer directly to the variable x. We have just assigned the value 10, and Python automatically understands from this value that what should be the data type of this variable x. Let us see the data type of name. So let us do type of name. Let us print it. It gives str, string. Because we have assigned a value string to this variable, so Python automatically understands that it is a string type. Okay. Let us print for price also. Let us see. Price. Okay. Let us execute. It gives float because this is a decimal value. So Python understood that price is of data type float. So Python automatically detects the data type of the variable based on the value which is assigned to it. Okay. This feature is called dynamic typing. This feature is called dynamic typing, wherein Python understands the data type of the variable based on the value which is assigned to it. Okay. There are certain rules to write the Python variable names. If we see, the variable names must start with a letter or underscore. So variable name should start with either letters or underscore. It should contain letters, like it can contain letters, number, underscore. Okay. It can contain letter, number, underscore, but it needs to start either with a letter or underscore. Okay. It cannot start with a number. Python is case sensitive. Okay. So let us see some examples. Underscore age. So it can start with the underscore or letter. Okay. So it is starting with underscore age equal to. It can start with a letter. So age 1. Okay. It is case sensitive. Okay. So if there is a difference in the case, capital letters we are using or small letters, so it considers as different variables, which we will see in the examples. So these are the rules. We need to remember these rules while creating the variables. Let us go to our Jupyter notebook. So the example which we were seeing, underscore equal to, let us see, let us execute it. It executed successfully. Let us do another example, age equal to 20, age 1 equal to 20. Again, it is correct. Let us try with capital letters in the beginning. Executed successfully. Now, let us try some wrong examples. We learned in the Python variable rules that it cannot start with a number, okay, and it is case sensitive. Okay, let us try this. Let us try to start a variable with a number. Let us say 1 age equal to 15. Let us see what happens. It gives invalid decimal literal. It means it is not accepting this variable as a correct name. Okay. We also learned that Python variables can contain underscore, letter, okay, and numbers. Okay. Let us try giving some other character. Let us give your hyphen name. Okay. Let us see. Let us see what happens. Okay. It is again giving the error. Okay. Because it is not a valid variable name. Variable name should contain either underscore, letter, or number. But here it is containing another character, that is hyphen, okay, which is not accepted as a variable name in the variable name. Okay. Apart from this, let us try signing class equal to, let's say, 5. Let's see what happens. Again, it is giving the error. Why? We learned that Python contains variable name can contain characters or letters, and here it is containing letters. Then why it is giving the error? Because class is a predefined keyword in Python. Predefined keyword means we use class word to create classes in Python. So it is already been predefined by Python. It is already been used by Python. So we cannot use it to name our variables. Okay. So Python has its own keyword list. The words which are there in those keyword list we cannot use in naming our variables. Okay. Let us see what all keywords are there in Python, which are reserved. You can also say they are reserved words or reserved keywords. Okay. Let's import keyword library and we can do keyword dot kw list. Let us execute it. See, we got a list of reserved words of Python, right? And we cannot use any word out of this keyword list to name our variables. Class is one of them. That is why we were getting error. Okay. Let us revise. So Python variables can have letter, number and underscore, but they can only start with underscore or letter. Okay. They cannot start with a number, and Python variables are case sensitive. Okay. Let us see example of case sensitive. So we say age equal to 10 and age equal to 15. Python considers these two variables as different variables. If we print them, then it will print the respective value of these variables because it is considering them as different variable because Python variables are case sensitive. Okay. Let us see variable assignments in Python variables. How many ways are there to assign the variables? Okay. So let us create it as a markdown. So markdown cells are for giving the heading. So let us give the assigning values. Okay. Let us execute it. Okay. Let us create another heading. So hashes, basically this is something extra, not specifically related to Python. We can create markdown cells in Jupyter Notebook, okay, by selecting markdown here, okay, and we can add hashes to give the headings. So one hash means H1 heading, two hash means H2 heading, and so on. So I'm just giving the heading for the readability of this notebook, right? This is normal assignment. Okay. So normal assignment, its code, let us do it as markdown, normal assignment. So normal assignment example we have already seen. So this is normal assignment. We have already seen the example of normal assignment where we give the variable name equal to and the value which we want to assign. Let us create another markdown. Let us say multiple assignment. There's something called as multiple assignment. Okay. Multiple assignment as in we can assign the value to number of variables in one line. So how can we do that? X, Y, Z equal to, let's say, 10, 20 and 30. Let us execute it. Okay. Let us print the value. Okay. Let us print the value of X, Y and Z. Let us see. Okay. So it is printing 10, 20 and 30 for respective variables X, Y and Z. Then let us add another markdown. Let us give again 5 hashes, and let us say same value to multiple variables. So let us see. Let us have variable A, B, and C, okay, and equal to 50. Let's execute it. It executed successfully. Let us print all of them. Okay, 50, 50, and 50 for all the three variables. Okay, so these are some ways to assign the values to variables. Now it's practice time. Let us practice some questions on variables. Okay, create a variable name and store your name in it and print it. The second question is store your age in a variable age and print it. Create two variables, a equal to 10 and b equal to 5, and print their sum. Okay, you have to add the two variables and print their sum. Assign the value 3.14 to a variable name pi and print it. Create a variable city. Okay, assign your city name to it and print this state. I live in the particular city. Change the value of a variable. First assign the value x equal to 5 and then change the value of x to 20 and print it. Okay. So practice these questions and let me know in the comment section what your answers are. That's all for this video. In the next video, we will be discussing about Python data types. Thank you for watching this. See you in the next lecture.